What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. All right, you guys, well, I think this is probably gonna be my last video here in this location. I'm gonna show you guys some items here on the home decor aisle, as well as some items that I shared during my live, in case you guys missed my very last live. Oh wow, look you guys, I heard a couple ask for these. These are the LED emergency candles. They're good for 100 hours, 50 hours each. Yes, the emergency candles, and they're definitely a different design than what I had previously seen. Also, we have some new candles over here with scriptures on them. We have a variety of candles, pink, salt, and grapefruit. We have sun-bleached woods. We also have aronia berry and hemp seed. And we have, actually that one was the same. And we have this one here. This is amber shimmer. So we have some new candles with a scripture quote on the front of them. Very nice. These are also really cute over here. These little candles, scented candles, just single wick. Now, to those of you that might have missed my live, I'm gonna show you guys a few items that I think you'll hopefully appreciate, probably appreciate. Let's go ahead and head down the aisle here. And most of these items that I'm gonna share with you guys are name brand items. For example, we have the thicker, fuller hair shampoo. You guys know this goes for a lot more everywhere else. We also have the thicker, fuller hair Celluplex caffeinated thickening serum. That is new. We also have the Suave tea tree and hemp seed oil shampoos. These go for like $3 and some change at Walmart, as well as the Suave collagen infusion. Also goes for a lot more. And if you've been missing them, these, I'm guessing, have made it to all the stores, both scents, both the gently coconut and the gently lavender. Okay, you guys, we're gonna keep it moving. We have more new items. I just have to remember where they all are. And yes, I have a very squeaky struggle cart. Oh, here we go. Here's the lavender. Now, this is also brand new. We have the NBD Plant Power Really Clean Hand Soap. This goes for a lot more than $1 or $1.25. And it is name brand. We also have the Tom's Prebiotic Hand Soap in Blood Orange. We also have the Tom's Prebiotic Hand Soap in Peppermint. And we have the Tom's Prebiotic in Fresh Apple. If you love Tom's, or if you love any of those scents, run to your Dollar Tree and grab them, because like a lot of these other name brand items, you guys know they go for a lot more. We also have the brand named Mum Snacks Pea Crisps in Apple Cinnamon and Pea Crisps with white cheddar. Those are for babies and toddlers. We also have some name brand socks in here. We have Ped socks, the ultra low cut socks. I haven't seen this one yet. We also have white. You're gonna get 2 to a pack. We also have some pretty colors by Fruit of the Loom and some pretty colors by Juncture. We also have some new multi-packs by Juncture. Oh, these are so cute. So, so cute. Tacos, chill out. Okay, I wanna come back over here and show you guys the goodie clips. Since I love to share all the name brand items with you guys, we have Birdy. Okay, now let's head on over to the makeup. Okay, so down the makeup aisle this week, the nail and the makeup aisle, we have these nails that are new. You get 62 a pack. We found these last week. Lots of Ioni lashes are back in stock to everyone that loves lashes. Also, the Maybelline Master Camo is still here. Such a great deal. Definitely worth more than $1 everywhere else. And we have a variety of new Wet n Wild items this week. Also much more than $1 everywhere else. We have the retractable eyeliner. We have the Perfect Palette lip colors. And we have, this is the graphic marker eyeliner. I might get one of these for Birdy. It doesn't say the color. As you guys see, some of these are kind of missing some packaging, and that's probably why they're here. But who cares? Because you're just gonna take it out of the package and recycle the packaging anyways. We have no branding on the front. We have no branding at all on any of these, but it's where it counts. Again, this is the Proline graphic marker eyeliner. I'm hoping it's in black. I think Birdy will probably love it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. Look at this. A 32-ounce Pomegranate Bliss moisturizing shampoo from VO5. We also have Premier Protein this week. This is Bananas and Cream. So many good items, you guys. So many good items this week that are name brand. So many items worth making the trip and coming in and looking around. These are also brand new and so cute. The little powder puffs. I think it would fit perfectly into a pressed powder compact. A lot of the compacts do not come with a powder puff anymore, so you have to use a makeup brush or a beauty blender. But I think Birdy would like those, so I'm gonna get her a pack of the little powder puffs. We also have a lot of nice fashion nails, and we have new emery boards. And we also have 4 packs of the nail files. I think these would be a little more long lasting. I'm so addicted to buying these, but they never last for long. So I think these would probably last a little longer. We also have a brand new cuticle oil. I spotted this last week. They're comparing it to Sally Hansen's Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. You get 13.3 ml, which is 0.45 of an ounce. Basically, half of an ounce. Yeah, you guys, lots of good items in here. Lots of name brand items. Lots of cute little Valentine's Day gifts. Love is in the hair. Lots of cute self-care gifts for yourself. If you're like, hey, I'm not buying Valentine's Day gifts for anyone. I'm gonna buy Valentine's Day gifts for myself. I mean, we have a lot of pretty things in here, whether lashes are your thing or whether you just want to get like a new mascara or a new whatever. Like, we have a lot of nice choices in here. But hey, you guys, it is getting late and I have one more store to go to before I head home for the night, which is Walmart. Oh, of course, you guys, actually two more things to share with you guys before I go. These go for $15 to $20 everywhere else. They're super luxurious and nice. And another item that goes for a lot more everywhere else is this. I think this goes for like $8. This is the Cooling Invisible Gel by Secret. I mean, you guys, if you're not running to Dollar Tree once a week, you should. Just once a week. You don't have to run out every day, just once a week. See what you can get for your household. See what you can get for yourself. Hey, set your budget to $10 and be like, you know what? I'm gonna set it to $10. Now that's when you're gonna run in and you're gonna find like the most amazing stuff ever, right? When you set that budget. Anyways, you guys, I had a lot of fun bringing you in. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.